What if the cleanest water you've ever tasted could flow directly from your kitchen tap? But at what hidden cost? Today we're going to explore the world of reverse osmosis water system and the pros and cons of installing one in your home. This technology, known for delivering impeccable water purity, also carries with it several considerations that might not be immediately apparent. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Clean Hydration. Today in this video we will be talking about the process of reverse osmosis water systems and their use in our homes. Reverse osmosis, often abbreviated as RO, sounds like a complex scientific process, and in many ways it is. However, its application in residential settings has become increasingly straightforward and accessible. The principle behind RO is simple. Water is forced through a semi-permeable membrane, leaving contaminants behind and allowing only clean water through. This method is highly effective at removing a wide range of impurities, from minerals and salts to bacteria and viruses. In this discussion, we will dive deep into how reverse osmosis systems work and why they are becoming a popular choice for homeowners seeking control over their drinking water quality. We'll assess the benefits, such as the exceptional purity of the water and the potential long-term savings over buying bottled water. On the flip side, we'll also examine the drawback, including the initial setup cost, the maintenance involved, and the environmental implications of the wastewater produced by the system. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to rid your water of contaminant, someone concerned with taste and odor in your tap water, or a homeowner considering cost-effective ways to improve your living environment, understanding the ins and outs of reverse osmosis will help you make an informed decision. Let's explore whether installing an RO system is the right move for your household. Understanding reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis, RO, is a powerful filtration method used to purify water by removing contaminants down to the molecular level. This technology has been embraced globally, not just for industrial applications, but increasingly for residential use, due to its effectiveness in providing high-quality drinking water. The basics of reverse osmosis. At its core, reverse osmosis works by pushing water through a semi-permeable membrane under pressure. This membrane is designed to allow only water molecules to pass through while blocking larger molecules and impurities, such as dissolved salts, bacteria, viruses, and chemicals. The result is water that is virtually free from physical and chemical contaminants. The reverse osmosis process consists of several steps. Number 1. Pre-filtration. Water first passes through one or more pre-filters designed to catch sediments and larger particles. This step protects the RO membrane from damage and clogging. Number 2. Reverse osmosis membrane, the core of the system where the main filtration occurs. Water is forced through the RO membrane, leaving impurities behind. Number 3. Drainage. Contaminants that are filtered out are flushed away into a drain, preventing them from re-entering the water supply. Number 4. Post-filtration and storage. After passing through the membrane, the water moves to a storage tank where it is held until needed. Before it reaches the tap, it typically goes through a final post-filter to remove any remaining tastes or odors. Components of an RO system. A complete RO system includes several components that work together to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of the water purification process. Sediment pre-filter removes dirt, rust, and other sediment. Carbon pre-filter reduces chlorine, which can damage the RO membrane and removes additional odors and taste. Reverse osmosis. Membrane, the critical component that performs the main filtration. Storage tank holds purified water, ensuring that clean water is available on demand. Post-filter polishes the water immediately before it exits the faucet, improving taste and quality. Drain line carries away the wastewater containing the filtered-out contaminant. Faucet. A dedicated faucet is typically installed on the kitchen sink specifically for the RO water. Installation and placement. Installing an RO system usually requires a connection to the home's water supply line, a drain for the wastewater, and a location for the storage tank, often under the kitchen sink. Professional installation is recommended to ensure the system operates efficiently and avoids common issues like leaks or reduced flow rates due to incorrect assembly. Understanding how reverse osmosis works and what components are involved is crucial for any homeowner considering this system. It provides a foundation for making an informed decision about whether RO is suitable for their specific water needs and household requirements. The advantages of reverse osmosis system. Reverse osmosis RO systems offer several compelling advantages for homeowners looking for reliable, clean, and tasty water straight from their taps. The benefits of installing an RO system extend beyond just improved water taste. They also include significant health benefits, cost savings, and convenient. Superior water purity. The primary advantage of RO systems is their ability to deliver superior water purity. By forcing water through a semi-permeable membrane, RO systems reduce the presence of a broad spectrum of contaminants. These include particulates like dust and rust, as well as microscopic entities such as bacteria and viruses. Chemical impurities such as pesticides, herbicides, and heavy metals like lead and arsenic are also significantly reduced. For households in areas with contaminated or hard water supply, RO systems provide peace peace of mind by producing consistently clean water. Improved taste and odor. Water treated by reverse osmosis is often clearer and better tasting than water treated by other methods. The removal of chlorine, chloramines, and organic compounds that cause unpleasant tastes and odors ensures that the water is not only cleaner, but also more appealing for drinking and cooking. Many users report a marked improvement in the flavor of food and beverages prepared with RO water, noting that coffee, tea, and soups taste more authentic and refreshing. Cost effectiveness. Over time, while the initial setup cost of an RO system can be significant, the long-term savings are considerable. Families that rely on bottled water for drinking can spend hundreds of dollars per year. An RO system can slash this cost dramatically, paying for itself in a matter of months. Additionally, the maintenance of RO systems, primarily involving periodic filter changes, is relatively low compared to the cost of other drinking water solutions like frequent bottled water purchases. Health benefit. The health benefits of consuming RO water are clear. By removing contaminants such as lead, which can cause severe health problems, RO systems contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Drinking pure water is essential for digestion, detoxification, reducing kidney stones, and better hydration. For households with specific health concerns like immunodeficiency, an RO system provides an additional layer of protection by ensuring the water is free from potentially harmful microorganisms and toxins. Environmental impact. While RO systems do produce wastewater, the environmental impact of using an RO system at home can be less than that of consuming bottled water. Home RO systems help reduce plastic waste from bottled water, which contributes significantly to environmental pollution and resource depletion. Moreover, advanced RO systems are becoming more efficient, gradually minimizing the amount of wastewater produced. Convenient. RO systems provide a continuous supply of clean water on demand. This is particularly convenient for large families or households that consume significant amounts of water daily. With an RO system, there's no need to order, carry, and store large quantities of bottled water. This convenience also extends to maintenance, as modern RO systems are designed for easy filter access and replacement, making the upkeep straightforward for most homeowners. Overall, reverse osmosis systems offer a multitude of advantages that make them a compelling choice for homeowners. Their ability to deliver high-quality water, coupled with cost savings, health benefits, environmental advantages, and convenience, provides a robust argument for considering their installation in residential setting. The disadvantages of reverse osmosis system. While reverse osmosis RO systems offer clear benefits in terms of water purity and safety, they also come with several disadvantages that potential users should consider. Understanding these drawbacks is essential for making an informed decision about whether an RO system is the right choice for your home. Initial setup and maintenance cost. One of the most significant barriers to the adoption of RO systems is their initial cost. Installing an RO system can be expensive, with prices ranging depending on the complexity and capacity of the system. This cost includes not only the system itself, but also installation by a professional, which is recommended to ensure optimal functioning and efficiency. Moreover, RO systems require regular maintenance to keep them running effectively. This includes replacing the pre-filter, post-filters, and the RO membrane at recommended intervals. While these costs are not exorbitant, they can add up over time and need to be factored into the overall budget. Wastewater production. A notable environmental and efficiency concern with RO systems is the amount of wastewater they produce. For every gallon of purified water, an RO system can expel several gallons of wastewater that contains the concentrated contaminants removed from the water. This aspect can be particularly troubling in areas where water conservation is a priority or in households trying to reduce their environmental footprint. Removal of essential minerals. RO systems are so effective at removing impurities from water that they also strip out beneficial minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are essential for good health, supporting functions such as bone strength, cardiovascular health, and electrolyte balance. The absence of these minerals in drinking water means that individuals need to ensure they are receiving adequate amounts through other dietary sources. Space requirement. RO systems typically require a fair amount of space for installation, usually under the kitchen sink or in a basement. This can be a drawback in smaller homes or apartments where space is at a premium. The need for a storage tank and multiple filters means that a considerable area must be dedicated to the system, which might not be feasible in all settings. While RO systems provide excellent water quality, the downsides include significant initial and ongoing costs, environmental concerns related to wastewater, potential health implications from the removal of beneficial minerals, dependency issues, space requirements, and limitations on water output speed. These factors must all be weighed carefully against the benefits when considering the installation of an RO system in your home. Considerations before installation. Before deciding to install a reverse osmosis RO system in your home, there are several critical factors to consider. These considerations ensure that the system you choose meets your specific needs and expectations, fitting seamlessly into your household's daily routine. Assessing your water need. Understanding your household's water consumption and needs is essential. Consider how much water you use daily for drinking, cooking, and other household tasks. An RO system can typically provide enough purified water for drinking and cooking for most families. But if your water needs are exceptionally high, you might need to consider systems with larger storage capacity or faster processing rates. Testing your water quality. Before investing in an RO system, it's advisable to have your water tested to determine the types and levels of contaminants present. This step will help you understand whether RO is the best purification solution or if another system might be more appropriate based on the specific impurities in your water. For instance, if your water has high levels of biological contaminant, you might need to combine RO with ultraviolet light treatment. Space and installation requirements. Evaluate the space available in your home where the RO system will be installed, typically under the kitchen sink. Ensure there is enough room to accommodate the system, including the filters in the tank. Also, consider the accessibility for ongoing maintenance such as filter change. If space is limited, look for compact models that are designed for smaller spaces. Cost considerations. Apart from the initial purchase and installation costs, consider the long-term maintenance costs, including filter replacements and potential repairs. An RO system is a long-term investment, so planning for its entire life cycle cost is crucial. Environmental impact. Finally, consider the environmental implications of installing an RO system, particularly the production of wastewater. If conserving water is a priority for you, look for an RO system that boasts higher efficiency rates or includes water-saving technology. By carefully evaluating these aspects, water needs, water quality, space requirements, cost, and environmental impact, you can make a more informed decision that aligns with your household's priorities and the specific conditions of your home's water supply. In considering reverse osmosis, RO systems for home use, it's clear that while they offer excellent water purity and potential cost savings, there are also significant drawbacks. The initial expense, ongoing maintenance, and environmental impact of wastewater are important factors. Moreover, the removal of essential minerals and the space required for installation may also influence your decision. Before installing an RO system, evaluate your water quality, assess your household's water needs, and consider the available space and costs involved. An RO system can provide exceptionally clean drinking water, but it's essential to weigh the benefits against the drawbacks based on your specific circumstances. Deciding to use an RO system involves balancing these factors to determine if it aligns with your home's needs and environmental consideration. This decision should be well informed, ensuring that the system adds value to your lifestyle and health. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.